Welcome to this very yellow tutorial. I decided to bring spring to you because winter is cancelled. I'm taking the Fenty Snap Shadow palette in the number 7 one, which is this one here, and I'm going to take some of this shade. I'm going to take some on this Zoeva 228 brush, and I'm going to focus this just on my outer crease, just for a little bit of definition. So I'm going to start with the yellow part of the liner. I'm going to take this Kat Von D. It's actually a brow pomade, but I'm going to use it on my eyes because I like the yellow colour. Okay, so the shade is called Daffodil, and I'm going to take this angled brush. This is from Zoeva. It is a 317 wing liner. Where I typically do my liner, I'm going to like double it basically and go up a lot higher than I usually do. So it's pretty much going to cover the whole part of my eyelid here. So all of this is going to be covered. I'm just going to start by mapping it out. So you want to do this yellow liner way thicker than you would do your average liner, because we're still going to do the black liner, which is going to go here. So you want the yellow liner to be double your regular liner, if that makes sense. So I'm just kind of visualizing where my black goes, and I'm just gonna do this higher. So because this is a brow pomade, I feel like it's a little bit harder to use on the eye. It's a little bit thicker. So if you are going to use this product for this look, just do little by little and take your time with it. Gonna let that dry a bit before I open my eye fully. And then for my black liner, I'm just gonna take my MAC brushstroke liner, which is one of the felt tip liners, and I'm just gonna go in and do my regular wing, but rather than doing this bit first, I'm gonna start with the inner corner. Now I'm just gonna do the wing. I'm just kind of connecting it up to the yellow, and then I'm going to drag this back in. So I'm going to go back into the yellow, and I just want to thicken this line here on the outer corner. So back into the palette, back into this shade here, and I'm going to just apply some of this to my lower lash line. And take a little bit of the mustard shade as well. And then I'm going to take this shade from Makeup Geek. It's called Potential. I'm going to pack this shade in my inner corner. I'm just going to jump in now and finish my lashes. And then I'm going to add some falsies. I just wanted to wear a lighter lash today because, you know me, I always wear Ella lashes and they're like quite full and wispy, and I thought that by wearing them it might cover up the yellow too much, so that's why I decided to go for a lighter lash today. Does it need an extra bit of fluff though? Like at the edges. Let's experiment. I just found these pair of Lily lashes. Not sure which ones they are. I think I'm just going to cut these in half and just place them on the outer corner because I feel like I just want a little extra bit more fluff here. That worked. I think that works. It looks good in real life anyway. Hopefully it looks good on camera. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of blush. I'm taking the Marc Jacobs Flesh and Fantasy. Just a nice neutral tone blush for a little bit of colour. And then into my Dior highlight palette. This is the Glitz one. And I'm going to mix these two shades here. This weather has my lips so dry. I'm going in with this liquid lipstick from Colourpop in collaboration with Becky G. So I just want to soften this lip colour, and I'm going to go in with Dollface lipstick from Too Faced. And that is it for this very yellow springtime in the wintertime tutorial. I hope you like this look. If you don't like yellow, you can use pretty much any colour that you want. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. So for the double line, breathe, and let's start that again, shall we? I'm just going to jump in now and finish as all